Oh, hey. Hungry? Yeah, me too. Let's make something to eat. Hey, I'm glad you're hungry. Let's eat. So we're going to do a classical New Orleans barbecue shrimp today. This recipe is the original recipe from Pasco Nagals on Napoleon Street. It is simple and easy. We're going to call this a simple, stupid recipe. Very, very basic, so let's get started. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 pound of shrimp, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of Creole seasoning. We're actually using the our local Florida Everglades heat. A couple pinches of salt and a little sugar. We're going to marinate this in our dry rub, and then we're going to get started on the stove. The ingredients, spices you'll need for this recipe are paprika, cayenne, cumin, Creole. We're using a Everglades heat, which we absolutely love the Everglades line. If you get a chance, you definitely need to try these out. They have 5 or 6 different products. Everglades is absolutely amazing. Salt and sugar. Alright, we've got our shrimp marinated. It's ready to go. We'll set that to the side and get the rest of our prep done. Remember, a happy board is a clean board. So we're going to do some scallion green tops for garnish. And I think the recipe calls probably for I don't know, 3, maybe 4 cloves of garlic. We're going to do more than that because garlic is great. So we're just going to chop up some garlic real quick. And I like to leave this garlic a little chunky, and you'll see at the end result why we do this. So it's going to actually be saturating in the butter for a while, so don't cut it too fine. Alright, let's take a few slices of lemon. And then squeeze the rest of this. I like to squeeze into my hand to make sure that we get all the seeds captured. So we have lemon juice. The last thing is going to be a good Italian bread. A couple slices of this. Smear of garlic butter, which we've done in our videos above. If you have any questions about this, feel free to check our videos above to see our garlic bread. Alright, I'm going to finish this up and then we'll go straight into sauteing our shrimp. Alright, now we've got all our prep ready for our shrimp. 5 tablespoons of butter, a shitload of garlic, scallions, sliced lemon, fresh lemon juice, 2 to 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, bay leaves, and salt. Alright, let's get started sauteing. Alright, we're going to start out by melting at a low heat 5 tablespoons of butter and add our garlic to this. Every little grain of garlic. So we want to cook this for about a minute or so. Make sure that the butter doesn't brown. So I've got this on medium-low heat, and we're just going to saute this until for about a minute until the garlic releases. Use a wooden spoon for this. It's a very, very, very simple recipe. Okay, and after about a minute, we're going to add our seasoned shrimp. And we're going to cook this until it's opaque and cooked. Increase the heat now that we've added the shrimp to about medium high. And cook this for about 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, as you can see, I've left the shells on. This is the traditional recipe for this. So I left the shells on, and I do like it with the shells on. This is a really casual, simple type of dish. I'm going to add lemons in there and let them start releasing, but this is a lot more just garnish. We're going to add our Worcestershire, our lemon juice, and about 3 bay leaves. Now here's the secret to this recipe. You want to cook them about 2/3 to 3/4 of the way. When you get to that point, you're going to turn off the heat and put a lid on it. And we're going to let that Worcestershire absorb all the goodness and love. So we're just going to get a happiness of love and marriage in this when we cover it and just let it sit. Alright, so we're about there. I'm going to cover it with a lid, turn off the heat, and let this sit for about 10 minutes. Okay, so now we've prepped our shrimp, and we're going to start on with our garlic bread. All we're going to do is we're going to toast these off about a minute and a half on each side. Okay, so it's real easy to plate. Cut our bread at a diagonal, place in the bowl, like so. Grab our shrimp, which are happy. Oh my goodness, look Look at that. Can you smell that? Can you smell that? A couple lemons on the side. Some of the sauce over the top. Oh gosh, I wish you could smell this. Garnish with some green onion. Boom. Simple, stupid, beautiful. You can eat this as an appetizer. You can add rice to it and eat it as an entree. It's a great centerpiece or focal point for a party or guest. And the shrimp can also be peeled. I myself like to eat it with the shrimp on because that's a traditional way of doing it. So I'm gonna eat this one. These are my local noisemakers. This is Jaden Ray and this is Orion James. So if you heard something in the background, it's probably what you heard. All right, we're gonna eat this barbecued shrimp. So thank you for being a part of our life. Thank you for taking the time to watch our videos. Look for more videos in the future. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll get notifications. Leave a comment below of something you'd like for us to make for you, or we'll just continue to keep doing our own thing. Anyway, have a blessed day. God bless.